How to disable efficiency mode in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is just delete any of the shortcuts which you have created on your desktop. So let me just quickly delete any shortcuts over here, and you can also simply unpin the particular Chrome browser from your taskbar. So once you do all of that, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for Chrome, Google Chrome, and just enlarge this section over here and simply click on open file location. So once you open it, just right click on it and click on show more properties. And let me just quickly show you once again. So once you click on its properties, now simply paste the same thing which I will be showing you over here. So just you can just copy me. All you gotta do is just click on this option over here and just come outside of the apostrophe bracket and simply paste the code or command which I've pasted shown you on the screen just like this. So don't worry, it will be provided in the link in the description. And now simply click on apply and click on OK. So once you do all of that, you can recreate the shortcuts of Google Chrome by simply coming over to your search bar and just repeating the process just like this. So now you can basically right click on it and click on show more properties and click on this send to and click on this desktop create shortcut. So another shortcut will be automatically created on your desktop just like this, and you can also pin it back to your taskbar. And once you do all of that, try restarting your Google Chrome browser and try seeing its processes under your taskbar, and this will not be fixed your issue. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.